Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this beautiful 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner HEMI in the Galen Registry, number 17 of 48, and in this configuration, 1 of 1. So very special vehicle here, 1969 HEMI Roadrunner. In this configuration, 1 of 1. So for you Mopar folks, absolutely gorgeous vehicle here. For the collectors out there, one that needs to be in any collection. But before we get too deep into this car, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University Drive on 301. We are on the corner of 301 and Televast. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are European, exotic, and or luxury cars. As you'll see, we got a Bentley back there, Porsche, Camaros, Audi, beautiful Plymouth Fury, Dodge Charger, Resto Mod. But back to this 1 of 1 in Galen's Registry, number 17 of 48 in the Registry, 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Just an absolutely stunning restoration here. But again, a little bit more on Classic Cars of Sarasota. As I mentioned, we are in Sarasota, Florida. But if you're not in Florida and you're interested in this vehicle or any of our other vehicles we have in inventory, do not hesitate to give us a call or visit the website, as we do ship worldwide. Last year in 2024, we shipped to 7 different countries across the world in 19 different states. So we can certainly take care of and manage your shipping needs. If you have finance needs, we do have finance partners as well that will finance your vehicle. If you have finance needs or are looking to finance the vehicle, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. I know the video here is kind of dark. Please visit our website. As I just mentioned, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have over 130 pictures of this vehicle online. Just an absolute stunning Roadrunner here in the ivy and green metallic with black interior. Just an absolutely beautiful car. As I mentioned, it does have a HEMI, 426 HEMI, matched to the A833 4-speed transmission, and in the rear has a Dana 60 rear axle, super track pack, and see the red line tires, Plymouth Division hubcaps. Just an absolute stunning example here. Original car of the late 60s, early 70s. Just a beautiful car here. Again, we'll go ahead and do a cold start for you. We have a battery disconnect. Make sure that is connected. And for the Roadrunner folks, we do have the Roadrunner horn, which does sound, it does work and sound like the Roadrunner, obviously. Get inside and show you again, the video might be slightly dark and hard to see. Please visit the website, as we have over 130 pictures of this vehicle. We do have it up on the lift so you can see the underside, which is base clear coat as well. Just an absolutely stunning restoration. also do have it outside so you can see the exterior in much better light. Let's go make sure we're neutral here. Get the right key. As you hear, it starts right up. Let it warm up a little bit and then rev it up so you can hear this HEMI. But just an absolutely beautiful restoration here. The doors closed. All the gaps are absolutely right on. You hear the low rumble and the dual exhaust. No smoke or water condensation coming out. The Roadrunner. Pick you up. Listen to the engine. Again, sounds great. That's the Coyote Duster. And the air grabber hood. Rev it up a little bit here. Let you hear the horn. Again, sounds fantastic. As I mentioned, in the Galen Registry, number 17 of 48, one of one in this configuration, color, interior combo. Just an absolute beautiful restoration and vehicle here. It is 1969 Roadrunner HEMI. Go ahead and disconnect the battery again. You keep all the batteries disconnected inside. Sure, you're going to want to see the tag. It's obviously you can't see it in the dark here, but we do have it on the website, very clear to read and see. Again, the hood is in fabulous condition as well. The paint is in absolutely excellent condition. Just a beautiful restoration and vehicle here. As I mentioned, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have over 130 pictures of this vehicle on the website. It is up in the air so you can see the bottom and all the details of this 1969 Roadrunner. Again, if you have any questions, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call, 941-355-1955. And I appreciate you joining in today. Thank you very much.